In Shunan and Shimonoseki, two cities in Yamaguchi Prefecture, a project to build a model of regional cooperation and local energy production consumption using high-purity waste hydrogen from caustic soda production is being conducted. An unused byproduct, hydrogen generated at the Tokuyama Corporation caustic soda plant in the Shunan Industrial Complex is recovered in buffer drums. Three methods are used to deliver the recovered hydrogen to places where it is consumed. One method is a pipeline. Hydrogen is delivered via pipes connected to fuel cells in the Shunan Swimming Club located next to the plant. The fuel cells generate electricity and heat the pool. A portion of the hydrogen generated at the Tokuyama plant is sent to Toso via a connecting pipeline. The second method is red tanks called curdles. The hydrogen is compressed and then put in the tanks for delivery. This is Sorene Shunan, a roadside rest area in Shunan. Hydrogen from the delivered tanks The hydrogen is used to generate the building's electricity and hot water. Hydrogen from the tanks is also effectively utilized as fuel for the Hydro Bingo, the world's first hydrogen fuel passenger catamaran, which operates within Shunan's port. Equipped with a hybrid engine, which burns a mixture of hydrogen and diesel fuel, the Hydro Bingo is expected to discharge a maximum of 50% less CO2 than vessels with conventional diesel engines. The third method is tank trucks that deliver liquefied hydrogen. First, recovered hydrogen gas is piped to Yamaguchi liquid hydrogen, located in the Tokuyama factory. Next, after refinement, tank trucks deliver the liquefied hydrogen. The liquefied hydrogen then arrives at a hydrogen station in the vicinity of the Shunan Regional Wholesale Market. Gasified at the station, the hydrogen is used by forklifts powered by fuel cells. These forklifts operate within the regional wholesale market. In addition, boiled-off gas, or BOG, which is produced when liquefied hydrogen gradually evaporates during storage at the hydrogen station, is recovered and reused. The recovered hydrogen is piped to fuel cells located within the market, which convert it into electrical power and heat. This, in turn, provides the market with electricity and air conditioning. The hydrogen station also supplies hydrogen to fuel cell vehicles, which Shunan residents use for car sharing and public transportation. Tank trucks also deliver the liquefied hydrogen produced in Shunan for use in distant locations. This is Shimonoseki, a city around 100 kilometers from Shunan. The delivered liquefied hydrogen is gasified and compressed at a simplified hydrogen storage facility in Shimonoseki's fishing port. Then, it is put into fuel cell vehicles. In addition, hydrogen that evaporates within the liquefied hydrogen storage tanks is sent by pipeline to fuel cells and hydrogen boilers in the fishing ports. The fuel cells convert the hydrogen into electric power and heat for a public bath at a welfare center. In this way, this project, supported by Shunan and Shimonoseki cities, utilizes waste hydrogen from an industrial complex and aims to create a decarbonized world.